Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, in previous video we did work on our index.html and we have brought these three images. So I go back to my notepad++ and I am inside my index.html. So friend, you see that first of all we made this UL tag under this section. So first of all we have to close this UL tag. UL, Control S to save, and now this section has been completed. And I would like to tell you that I have made these classes to this section. First section /feature, second feature /showcase, and third feature /photo. These three classes. Now we have to stylize these three classes to bring these images in their right position. So I go to my style.css page and friend, right above the footer, you can also stylize it above the footer or under the footer, but I think above the footer will be more suitable. So first I write comment here, footer starts. So now friend, here I will write one more comment. I go that this is section feature images stars. So I write section feature images stars. Control D to duplicate. I press enter and here I write ends. And inside these comments I will stylize this section. So first of all I will call this class section /feature. So friend, now I will define some padding for it. Padding 0. Then I give width column 100% and semicolon to close. So now I come here and refresh it. You see that nothing has been happened here. So I come back here. So I press enter. And here I will call dot feature /showcase class. I show you I made this second class, feature /showcase. This is that class which is made after this section /feature. So I am calling this class now and stylize it. So first of all I give it list style none. Control S to save and I press enter. Once again I call it feature /showcase li. So first of all I use the display property, display block float left to bring all the images in a line. Float left, and I define it is with 30%. So first I go to my browser to see that what's happening here. I refresh, and now you see that now these images are showing in this way, but footer has been disappeared, so it does not matter, and copyright sign is showing here. So I come here and I give some margin left 5 pixel. So now I come here and refresh. So now there's been made some margin left. So now friend, I come back. So friend, now I come down and press enter. I think this video has become enough lengthy, so I will come back in next video, and then I will stylize feature/photo, because you see that third class is feature/photo. So in next video I will stylize that class.